Good morning, boys. I hope you're having a wonderful day and you are ready to begin working on reading today. Okay, boys, so today the story we're going to be going over is called A Happy Visitor. So if you please have this story, please get it out. And if you don't, it is okay. Just follow along. And at the end, just write your questions and answers in a sheet of paper, take a picture of it, and upload it to Teams. It's okay if you don't have this particular story or page. As long as you write it down, it is okay too. Okay, guys, so this passage right here is a reading comprehension story, and then at the end we're going to have some questions to answer about the story. What I would like for you all to see here is that these questions are a little different. We are usually used to doing multiple choice, like for them to come in ABC form. However, there's some, like if you see here, questions 1 and 2, they're open-ended. So you have to fill in the blank. You have to tell me the answer. So you have to go back to the story and find the answer. Or over here, there could be more than one answer correct. So as you see here, it says check all the correct answers. So there might be one answer choice that's correct. There might be 2, or there might be 3, or maybe all of them are correct. Here, it all depends on the story as well. We have to look back and see which ones apply, and we will be checking off all the right ones. And same thing over here, open-ended questions, and you get to write the answer and then tell me why or why not. I don't want to know just the answer. I want to know everything complete. So that is the story for today. I'm going to read it with you all, guys, and then I will answer one question with you and you will do the rest on your own. So don't forget to write your name and the date. The date today is December the 1st, 2020, boys. Okay, boys and girls, so the story is A Happy Visitor. So always remember the strategies we are supposed to do. So we're going to analyze first the title of the story, A Happy Visitor. So we know that it has to do with somebody coming over, because that is what a visitor is, somebody who comes over to a place, and that they are happy. So now we're going to see if we see any pictures. Here we have one picture, and can anybody tell me who comes out in this picture? Yes, a dog. So we know the story is going to involve a dog. And then if we go down, we have another picture over here. And what does this picture tell you guys? What do you see in this picture? Yes, boys and girls, it is a little girl with a dog. I think it could be hers, or maybe she saw him in the street. She thought it was really cute. She seems very happy, and the dog seems to like her, guys. So now, just based on the pictures and the title of the story, this story has to do with a dog, and it has to do with a little girl too. So maybe the dog went to go visit the girl, or maybe the girl went somewhere and saw the dog. Let's read into it. That way we can know what actually the story is about. But we have an idea, guys. We're making inferences, predictions based on the story, based on the title of the book. So now let's go into it, and as I'm reading along, if you see anything important, highlight it, guys, or underline it, because it's going to help you for your questions. Like I said, these questions are a little different. Some are fill in the blanks, other are open-ended, others you have to choose more than one answer, and some are multiple choice. So let's just go along and see, and as we're going along, let's highlight important information. So let's start. A happy visitor. It is Thursday. It is rainy today. It is a rainy day. Anna is inside the house. Anna is watching TV. Anna is watching TV inside the house. Anna cannot go outside. It is raining outside. Anna cannot go outside because it is raining outside. Anna is bored. Wait! Anna hears someone at the door. Someone is at the door of her house. Anna opens the door. What does Anna see? So what do you think Anna sees, guys, when she opens the door? Yes, I think you're right. Anna sees a dog. The dog is small. Anna sees a small dog. The dog is wet. The dog is wet from the rain. Aw, you are all wet, Anna says to the dog. You are very cute. Mom, Anna says. Yes, dear, says Anna's mom. There's a dog here. There's a dog at the door, Anna says. What? Anna's mom. A dog? Anna's mom comes to the door. Anna's mom sees the wet dog. The wet dog looks cute. Can we keep it? Asks Anna. Yes, we can, says Anna's mom. The dog is happy. Okay, boys and girls, so who was the visitor here? Was it the girl or was it the dog? Yes, the dog went to go visit Anna. And when Anna sees the dog, how is the dog? Is it big? Is it ugly? Is it cute? Is it small? What does it say about the dog? Yes, good job. So here we can underline, or we can highlight. The dog is small, because that is exactly what Joel said. Because Anna sees a small dog. So the dog is small. The dog is cute too. Yes, they said you are cute. So how about we put, let's underline this one because it says dog. The wet dog looks cute. So these are things that we know. The dog is cute. And also we can also highlight the dog is happy, guys. The dog wasn't angry. The dog wasn't barking. The dog was happy. Here we go at the beginning of the story. It says, it is Tuesday. It is a rainy day. It is raining today. It is a rainy day. I want y'all to highlight, it is raining today. It is a raining day. Just in case they ask how is the weather or anything about the story, we know that it was raining. So we know that Anna was inside because why? It was raining. Also, something else, guys, is did the dog just come and then he leave? Or did Anna play with it? Or did Anna keep it? Or did they go leave it at its owners? Do y'all remember what Anna did with the dog? Yes, Anna asked her mom if they can keep it. And what did the mom say? The mom said, yes, we can. So they kept the dog. The dog didn't go anywhere. Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to go to the questions and go over one of the questions, and you will do the rest on your own. So question number 1, I will be doing question number 1 with you, and it says, what is the name of the girl in the story? So can anybody tell me what was her name? So let's go back to the story and let's figure out. So it says, it is Thursday. It is rainy today. It is a rainy day. Anna is inside her house. So what is her name? Anna. Good job. So I'm going to highlight it. And then here I'm going to put question, or how about I put number 1? Because that was the answer for number 1. Whenever you find the answer to a question, I would like for you to put the question and highlight it or box it or circle it all together. That way you know that that's how I will know you did your strategies. And I will know that where did you find that answer? And you found it here, where it says Anna. So that is for number 1. So then we're going to go down and we're going to answer the question. So what is the name of the girl? So the name of the girl is Anna. And that's what you're going to be doing for the rest of the questions, guys. Just go back to the story, do strategies, find the answers. If you have any trouble at all, please let me know. I am here to help, or let Mr. Salinas know. We are here to help you guys. Please ask if you need anything. Don't be shy. You know that we are always here to help you guys. But as long as you go back to the story, you read it. If you need to reread it again, guys, read it again, or just press play all over again. Like, you can see the video as many times as you need. As long as you go back to the story, you will find the answers, guys. Those answers are always on the story. So as long as you read, you go over it, you do your strategies, you will have no trouble at all finding the answers. But in case you do, just let me know. Okay, boys and girls, so I hope you have a good rest of your day, and that you have that it's not really hard for you all to answer the questions, and you will see that you will be getting hundreds, guys. Just do the strategies and do not worry about anything else. Like I said, if you don't have these, just write down the question and the answer in a sheet of paper, and don't forget to submit it to Teams. Once you are done, take a picture, upload it, and I will be giving you a thumbs up once I have received it. So bye, boys and girls.